Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to access Coinbase Advanced. This platform is designed for more experienced traders, offering lower fees and a comprehensive suite of tools. It seamlessly integrates the features of the former Coinbase Pro, providing an enhanced trading experience all in one place. You don't need a separate subscription. It's available directly within your existing Coinbase account. Let's dive into how you can easily switch to this powerful trading mode. To begin, if you're on a desktop, simply navigate to the Trade tab and select Advanced Trade from the drop-down menu. For mobile users, open your Coinbase app and look for a toggle or option in the top left or right corner to switch to Advanced Trade. Once activated, your entire app or web interface will transform into a dedicated advanced trading dashboard. All your existing funds from your regular Coinbase account will be readily available here, making the transition smooth. Coinbase Advanced unlocks powerful features for strategic trading. You can place advanced order types, such as limit orders to buy or sell at a specific price, or stop limit orders for risk management. The platform also integrates professional-grade charting tools from TradingView, offering over 100 indicators for in-depth market analysis. You'll also benefit from a maker-taker fee structure, which can be significantly lower than standard Coinbase fees, especially with higher trading volumes. This allows for more precise and cost-effective trades. To maximize your success on Coinbase Advanced, start by practicing with smaller amounts to get comfortable with the interface and order types. Always prioritize security by enabling two-factor authentication and using strong, unique passwords. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Continuously educate yourself on market trends and technical analysis to refine your strategies. Mastering these tools takes time and patience, but the benefits of advanced trading can be substantial for your crypto journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.